Hi guys, welcome to Trendy Unboxing. Today we will see comparison video of Boroline and but before that, if you are new here, you can subscribe to us by clicking that subscribe button and press that bell icon to get all videos from us whenever we upload on our channel. So let's start. First, let's speak about Boroline. Boroline is a must product which one should have at his or her house. I'm really sorry for the condition it has become. You will able to make out how I'm using this product at home. Now, let's speak about Boro Plus. It is also a quite decent product, but I use it as a moisturizer only. Now, if I speak about packaging, then both comes in a cardboard packaging. So, if I want to speak about Boroline, then Boroline is an antiseptic Ayurvedic cream. And here you will able to see logo of small elephant. If you haven't watched our video on Boroline yet, then I have put link in the description box below. Do check it out. One more thing I liked about Boroline is that they have used only plastic cap of tube and rest you can see. Let's speak about Boro Plus. If I want to speak about Boro Plus, then it is also an Ayurvedic antiseptic cream and you can use for face, hands and body. And according to them, they have used 10 super herbs and it provides 24 hours moisturization. If I want to speak about net weight, then Boroline is 20 grams and Boro Plus is 19 ml. Remember that both these creams are for external use only. I've been using Boroline for past 3 years and believe me guys, it's a blessing for me. If I'm getting any cuts or maybe blisters, then I just apply this cream and trust me guys, the next day it really almost cures 60 to 70% of your wound. But I think if you constantly apply this Boroline cream even for 4 days, it is going to clear your problem. Even if you have some pimple marks or any white marks, do one thing, apply Boroline at night and do this process for just 5 days and see the result by your eyes. If you have dry skin, then you can go for Boro Plus. It really works best for dry skin. You use Boroline as a moisturizer for your skin. Even if you have dry skin, after applying this cream, your skin will become oily and you will regret it later. The cost of both these products are ₹38 only and both these creams are unique in its own way. One more thing, don't use Boro Plus cream for any skin infection, but you can use Boroline for skin infection. It will be wonder for your skin. You will able to purchase both this product at medical store nearby to you. Even I have given purchase link in the description box below. That's all in this video guys. Do like this video and don't forget to share your valuable comment with us. Thank you.